Okay guys, this is Toyota Camry 2007 to 8 down to 210 model. This is gonna be practically the same. So to lose the dashboard so you can be able to get access to the evaporator, the first thing first is to pull this very cover off here. So you need to pull here and draw it back and remove the glove compartment. When you remove the glove, there are bolts securing it in place here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there is one inside here. So as soon as you lose it here, there is 10 bolts here. You lose it. So there are like 5 screws here and 1 bolt here. So as soon as you lose this one, you pull it gently out. There is a rubber trim here, which is this guy here. All you just need to do is to pull it and it's get out. It's gonna get out. One here, one here. Then as soon as you pull it out, you can see the bolts that are surrounding, the screws that are surrounding here. But this one here, you just need to pull it out. The center console, you need to pull it up after anti-clockwise, losing this shifter handle. So then you put the ignition on, take this one to the, pull this into the neutral position before you can be able to remove this guy here, this very guy. And you also need to pull it. There is no any bolt or screws holding it in place. Now after that, then you start proceeding with removing the infotainment, the climatronics, and other utilities feature which you're gonna be removing from here. Then next, you want to be proceeding on this very side here, start removing those ones that are detachable. Then you'll be finding screws and bolts that are securing it in place there. So you also want to go ahead and lose those ones. Like here you have 10, you're going to be dealing with 10, 12, 10, 12 mostly in this all area here. It's going to be 10, 10, 10, 12. Then after that, you want to be losing this one by turning the steering. You can see there is a screw there to remove the cover. Then also there are places here where you're going to be removing screws in order to get this very rubber trim out before you can remove the cluster gauge. After removing the cluster gauge, the AC vents and this one here is just something you need to pull back a little bit to get it out. There is no any screw holding it in place. Then you're going to be exposed with the steering. Then there are 2 bolts, one here, that is holding the steering in place. You lose it, then it starts coming down. So pretty much guys, that's the first highlight of how you're going to be losing out the dashboard before you start proceeding and going in depth detail with a video on the frameworks, on the structural frameworks on how to lose it out.